In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Zoom version. It's an easy process with just a few clicks, ideal to ensure your software is always up to date for optimal performance. Whether you're participating in virtual meetings, attending online classes, or hosting webinars, knowing how to check your version of Zoom is valuable for staying current with updates and troubleshooting any issues. First, let's start by opening the Zoom app on your device. This can be done quickly by locating the icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. If Zoom is already installed, it might be pinned to your taskbar for even faster access. If you're new to using Zoom, consider creating a shortcut for future convenience. Once the Zoom app is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. This is the spot where your user setting resides, giving access to numerous features, including settings and personal account information. Clicking on this profile icon opens a drop-down menu displaying several options pertinent to both your account and the application. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to look for the option labeled Help. Clicking on this will further extend your options, guiding you toward essential information about the Zoom application and access to support features. The Help menu is an excellent resource for resolving technical issues and finding answers to frequently asked questions. Next, within this Help menu, you'll see an option titled About Zoom. Go ahead and click on it. This particular section provides all the details about your Zoom application, including the version number. Knowing your Zoom version is especially useful if you need to confirm compatibility with certain features or if support requests the version you are using. By checking the About Zoom section, you can easily keep track of your version. This helps to ensure you have all the latest updates and features, which is crucial for maintaining seamless connectivity during your meetings. Software updates often include security improvements and new functions, which enhance your experience and protect your privacy. Taking a few moments to familiarize yourself with this straightforward process will surely benefit you in the long run. It ensures you are always informed about your software, ultimately contributing to a smoother and more secure user experience. That's it.